People are going to ask when you're going to do a coffee one. Well, today I picked up some Black Rifle coffee. So, Black Rifle coffee, Beyond Black. This is ground. Really good. Get yourself some Black Rifle coffee. Proportion of profits go to veteran and law enforcement organizations. Very cool. I love places that love to give back to their communities. It's proudly roasted and blended in Canada. Interesting. 10 Carlton Drive in Alberta. Now they have a few other roasts they have too. This is the one that I've tried. It's very good. I've tried it before. This is a dark roast, the Black Rifle coffee, and it's there's a slight bitterness to it, but it goes away really quick. It's a very flavorful coffee. Actually, rumor has it that the Black Rifle coffee, which originated in the States, got caught up into Justin Trudeau's first rifle ban of all his assault weapons that he was banning, and it was on the list, Black Rifle Company. Grab yourself a bag. This one's about $15. Picked it up at Cabela's. They also have their other flavors too. It's a good coffee. I'd recommend it. Black Rifle coffee. And especially because they also help to give back to our law enforcement and our veterans. This is not one that I would put Bailey's in. It's good enough on its own. All right. People were asking, when are you going to do a coffee one?
Sorry.